Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So I have logged into my machine. Let me clear my screen. So today we will discuss how to maintain a record of CD. Like history, we are having the backup of what command we have executed. Yum history, we are having what package we have installed and using what yum what we have installed and configured or removed. But there is no single command to maintain the CD. How to maintain the CD record? How many times I have jumped? So currently, if we do cd/etc, okay, and if I want to go back, I can go only one level back. But there is a command which help you to track all the CD and jump you 2, 3, 4, 5 and number of jump. Okay, so that command is push d. Okay, so what we'll do, push d/etc. Instead of CD, we'll use push d. See, it's showing. Earlier you are on home directory, now you are in CD etc. Now we'll go to temp or etc. is config network-script. Okay, so I've executed many commands and it's got first from home to etc, then tmp home, again etc, then etc sysconfig, etc sysconfig network-script. Okay, and this space is the delimiter which is dividing the parameters. Now if I do push t and /sys, it's got recorded. Okay, every jump you are doing from one directory to another directory is getting recorded. But if you do cd, it will not get recorded because we have to use push t. So push t, if you put without any directory, it will show you are in which directory, what is the system. Okay, so how to jump? Question is arrived now. How to jump? So if you're counting from this place, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you want to go reverse, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do push plus 2. Okay, this is 0, 1 and 2. So it should go etc sysconfig. So if you do pwd, you have jumped to etc sysconfig. Now if I want to jump to etc, so 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, push plus 4. Okay, pwd, I came to etc. Okay, perfect. And okay, now push t. This is my system. I want to go to /home, which is -1. Okay, wd, if I want, see -1 when you have done the history, like cd history, home and tmp came in up front. Then what happened? Home, tmp, -etc, these things, whatever was there after home became a part of this. Because now if I do 0, 1, 2, 3, push -3, so what will happen? It will change entirely. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, so 3 came in up front, then this, then this, then etc, and home, tmp and /tilde and etc came like this. So it is like changing the circle. -3 we'll put this to this, and then we'll put whatever remaining in the upfront. Okay, so this is how you can jump, and you can navigate easily using plus and minus. Now only question I am having, if I am doing push, what is happening? Let me clear my screen. Push d. So currently I am in etc sysconfig network. If I am doing push d, what will happen? Let's see. I got in network-script. So why we are doing the push d and how it is recording? So whenever I do push D, etc sysconfig network-script and etc sysconfig. So it is taking value 1. Okay. So currently etc sysconfig network script is there, and if I do push D, it will go in /sys. Okay. By default, it's taking the first one. Okay. Plus symbol is T. But if I want to go to /etc, which is 0. Okay. So push D minus 1 if I do, I will go in a home directory. So I will do push minus. Okay. PWD. What happened? Nothing. Everything got removed. Only sys is the system because it has cleared everything. Now again we will create push /tmp. Okay. Now we are having this much record. Push minus, if I do, I should go in etc. PWD is not going anywhere. It's selecting this one. Push minus 0. PWD. This has taken me to etc. So on to starting. So this is how you can jump from minus 0, 1, minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And from here, plus 0 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how you can jump. But what if I don't want to jump to another directory, but it should get recorded in a history? Okay, so what we'll do, push D -n. Okay, then what directory we'll have? So first we'll see push D and we'll go to /, then we'll do ls-l. Let's see, we are having multiple directories. One directory is /run. Okay. So push D, I don't want to go in /run, but it should get recorded. Okay. See, it's got recorded. Currently I'm in /, but it got recorded /run. So this is how you can jump. If you want, you can go in /where I am not jumping to that directory, but it is getting recorded here. /run /where current is /. Okay. This is regarding this thing. Now, if I want to see, this is record. If I do VIRS, it's all visible. But if I want to see in vertical mode, that's how it will work. 0 to 13. Okay. So directly you can do push D -plus 10. Okay. Push D plus 10. So what we'll do, push D plus 10. It should take me to etc. Okay. Because it's starting from 0. See, I landed in the etc. So this will make your life easy. But what if I want to remove something from this? I want to remove the history of this. Okay. Let's assume I want to remove this sys. So first let's see, sys is on which? Sys is on number 10 and 12. Okay. So for that we have pop D. Okay. So plus same method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So if you are going from top to bottom, is 0 to plus 1, 2, 3, and bottom to top -0, -1, -2. So plus 10 means slashes should get removed. See, on a 10th number slashes for there, it got removed. Now if I want to remove 11th wala, see, it got removed. So using pop D you can remove. And if you are not doing anything, pop D. So what will happen? First 0, by default it will take 0, etc. See. And if you are giving, let me clear as it. Okay, if I want to remove the /etc and it is the 10th and -0. So pop D -0. That is helping me. It got removed. So this is how you can build a history of a cd command and remove and show. So that is very useful when you are working on some project and you want to jump from different things. And This is just a static, it's not dynamic. Okay, once you log out from the system, it will get clear. Either you can do directories -c, so it will clears your history, whatever you are having. See, everything. You are in home, it is showing /home. And if you are doing cd/etc, will not get recorded. See, this config network -script cd/tmp cd/home. Okay, and if you do dirs, it's not recording that thing, it's just showing you are in current directory. So hope it's clear to you, and if you are having any question, any query, use the comment box to chat with me. I will try to answer your questions. So keep learning, stay together, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.